Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome back to our beginner yoga series videos. Let's go ahead and start in a seated position. If you need to put something underneath you, you can, just to help open up your knees and hips. But go ahead and close your eyes, tune inward, relax your face, relax your jaw, but make sure you're lifted tall. Imagine that there's a string on the crown of your head lifting you up nice and tall, stacking one vertebrae on top of another in good alignment. Then take a deep inhale through your nose. Pause at the top. There's 4 parts to the breath. Exhale out of your nose. Pause at the bottom and repeat. Inhale through your nose. Pause. Exhale. Pause. One more time together. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Beautiful. Go ahead and drop your chin to your chest and gently roll each ear to each shoulder. Nice and slow, pausing in any place that feels good to you. Then lift up and roll the shoulders up, back, and down. And pause, go the other direction, up and over. Then from here, we're going to drop the tailbone in, arch the back, and lean back. We're doing a seated cat, so really arching, leaning back. And then inhale, lifting up, shoulders back, heart up, chin up. Deep inhale here. Exhale to cat. Inhale to cow. One more time, exhale to cat. Inhale to cow. Then find the neutral alignment and let's go around in a circular motion with our ribs. It's like we're stirring up the pot. The pot is our hips and we're just going around in a circular motion. Let's pause and go the other direction, around and around. Then inhale, lift up tall. Place your right hand down and your left arm up and over, reaching all the way for a nice lateral stretch. Take a deep breath here. And gently windmill the arms, switching to the other side. Really stretch. Nice pull here, just gentle. And then come back to the center. Lean back, bring your legs together. And then bring your right leg out to the side, your left leg into the center. Lift up tall. Square your chest, both hands on top of each other, and reach for that foot. Stay here, take a deep inhale. Exhale, go down just a little bit more. Next, inhale, come on up. Lean back. Let's switch legs so that your left leg is out now. Your right leg is in. Lift up tall. And hinge from the hips and gently come on down. Try to relax your shoulders. If you can, flex this foot. With your next exhale, go down just a little bit more. Take a deep inhale and exhale, coming down a little bit more. Then inhale, come on up. Bring your legs together. I'm just moving around, but just so you can see my angle, you can go wherever it feels comfortable. The left leg is going to extend. The right leg is going to cross over the left leg. The right arm comes behind the back, and you're going to twist over that right shoulder. If you want to hug in, you can. Or you can take this left arm and go on the outside of that right leg, but do what feels comfortable. Try to relax this right shoulder and have a nice gentle twist here. Go ahead and take a deep inhale here. Exhale, twist over that right shoulder just a little bit more. And with your next inhale, gently unwind, lift up tall, and let's go ahead and switch. So this time, bring the left leg in. Take the left leg, bring it over the right, lift up tall, twist over that left shoulder nice and gently. Go ahead and relax that left shoulder here. You can also find this bind this way if you'd like, or just hold on here. Staying here, take a deep breath in Exhale, twist over to the left shoulder just a little bit more. Then with your next inhale, go ahead and unwind, coming to the center. We're going to turn on to all fours to the tabletop that you've been introduced to before, holding it here. Remember, arms, wrists, and shoulders all aligned, knees underneath the hips. Kick back that left leg. If you can, the right arm comes up right here. If you can't, just do the leg work. Take a deep inhale in, reach the right arm up and the left leg up. Exhale, elbow to the knee. 2 more times. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, elbow to the knee. 1 more time. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Then we're going to lift up and hold here. So lift up and hold. If you can, bend the left leg and try to reach for the left ankle. If you can't, just hang out here, that's fine. Then we're all gently going to go ahead and come on out of it. So switch sides here. So this time your right leg kicks back. And then if you can, your left arm comes in front. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, elbow to the knee. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, lift. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Then gently lower. We're going to come onto our backs, nice and easy. No rush. And bring those knees into your chest, rocking side to side. Then we're going to drop the left leg. Swoop the hands underneath the right leg, kick that right leg up to the sky. Curl the toes towards your nose. If it's okay for your back, you can elongate that left leg. And go ahead and roll around that right ankle. Then curl the toes towards your nose and pull in just a little bit more. A little bit more if it's okay. Then bend the right leg and let's switch. So left leg into your chest, right leg extended. Swoop the hands underneath the left ankle. Kick the left leg up to the sky and roll around that left ankle. Then try to really straighten the left leg. Curl the toes towards your nose. A little bit more in. Then bend the left leg and then the right and rock side to side. Let's go ahead and kick the left and right leg up together. Shake out those legs and curl the toes towards your nose and hold it here. If you have a wall or a couch, you can go ahead and place your legs on top of it. And let's just close our eyes here for a few moments. Just breathe in and out. This helps drain the lymph in your body. Lymph is a lot of things that just help bring healing inhibitors to your immune system. It circulates, and sometimes they get stuck in stagnant places like your feet that are all the way on the ground with gravity all day. So right now we're just doing the opposite. Go ahead and shake those legs out. And then find stillness, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in and out. Then bend those knees, widen the legs towards the outside of your mat. So make sure that your knees are bent and legs are wide. Let's drop both knees over to the left. This is to get a nice little hip stretch, but also a quad stretch. Arms can cactus out for a nice chest opener and take a few breaths here in and out. Notice where you feel the stretch. And squeeze the core, pick up the knees, then pick up the lower back and drop both knees over to the right now, opening up. Take a few breaths in and out through the nose with your jaw relaxed. Then bring your legs and knees together. And if you'd like to, curl up into a little ball on the right-hand side, or you can round on up in your own time into a tall seat. Lifting up, go ahead and pull the shoulders back, swoop the arms out to the side, drop your right ear to your right shoulder, and take your right hand and gently place it on there if you'd like. Relax this whole left side. Then inhale to the center and switch the whole right shoulder, just relax it. Then release the arms down, hands face up, close your eyes and imagine that you're receiving all good things towards you. Then bring your hands together in prayer. Take a deep inhale in and out. Namaste. Make sure to consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.